taking it easy.
Taking it easy up here in Rockingham today. What's your name, man?
Ron.
Ron. You one of my Facebook friends. I see you riding. What you riding today?
GXSO 1000.
Yeah, man.
Oh, a little 1000 that I made.
Little one. You got it stretched out?
Yep.
So you order these online and you stretch them out yourself?
Yeah, I order them plain, stock wheelbase, stock looking.
Yeah. I like that, man. I'm finna buy one of these from you too, so you finna take all my money. I like that. All right, man. Appreciate it. Well, you on Facebook, right?
Yeah.
What's your Facebook name?
Karan Drake.
What's these?
$500 fucking
$3,000.
Man,
No
fuck
fucking
you.
punk out.
Take your
We
broke
fucking
ass.
off the goddamn trail.
Do 10.
No, I said three.
Alright, I'll make it easy on you.
No
Do
punk out.
5.
No punk out. No punk out.
Three, five.
Three.
5 off the trailer. Off the fucking
Why
trailer.
am I even talking to you?
5.
Why am I talking to you?
Because I'm the auctioneer, bitch. 5.
Auctioneer.
5. Going once. Going twice. What's going on, Johnny? What's going on?
Man, we up here at My Rock, first season of the year with Cooper Performance representing, man. How's everything going today, man?
Going good, man. We're trying to be two places at one time, baby. You know, Coop's down at Simdra right now with Richard.
Yeah.
Running Simdra Pro Mod.
Yeah.
I'm up here representing Cooper Performance.
Yeah.
Everybody always says we never do nothing for the grudge racers.
Yeah.
But we trying to give back. We trying to give back.
That's good, because this year, man, you guys are sponsoring the After Dark Grudge Racing, man. That's a big thing right there.
No
No,
shit,
I just ain't nobody got it.
No motherfucking. Well, then we pay. He's 500.
Three wins.
He's 500.
Who put this shit together? What? You, that's who. You got it right. Me, yeah, I'm talking to this motherfucker. You, shit.
What I'm trying to put together with Jerry and myself,
Yeah.
we're trying to give back to the grudge racers. Right
Yeah.
now, we're sponsoring After Dark Underground.
Yeah.
What I'm gonna do is work up, for lack of better terms, a contingency program. I want to give some grudge racer that pays that $100 fee here every weekend to come here and race. I want to give them something free at the end of every race.
That's
that
great.
way, they can always remember Cooper Performance will give back to the grudge racers.
You said add the fucking money and then you do it.
You went 500.
What? Yeah, I said add some. You want a fucking two-step too? Get the fuck out of here.
What's going on, man? All right, man. I'm with Richie. We're the opening Rockingham Dragway. How's everything going, brother?
It's going good. Weather seems good. Hopefully we'll have some fast times today for qualifying.
Yeah. So talk to me about this bike and these Michelins we're running this year, man.
This is Ronnie Mitchell's bike with they're out of Detroit. He's been running my Michelins for about 3 years. This will be the 4th year. And he's actually the ET. That bike, this bike, he actually has the ET and mile an hour record in the Mile Rock Series.
That's
at
great.
7-11 at 2:04.
You said that add something to it. No, I add something to it, right?
Tell him.
Two-step. Two-step.
Trey,
You
just do 5
bullshit.
or better. 5 or better.
What? Tell him.
Fuck.
You shut the fuck up.
5 or better off the trailer. We can't help these motherfuckers' economies
Hey,
fucked up out there and they broke.
the fucking wee man
that.
again. The fucking wee
Talk to
man.
me about Michelin. How long you been working with the Michelin tires, man?
This will be my 5th year working with Michelin.
Okay.
They built a new size rear tire that we were going to try to test yesterday, but didn't get to.
Okay.
So hopefully, maybe before the next race, we'll be able to test that new tire.
Okay, great. Now I know you formed away with world champion Jeremy Teasley. He used to run that Michelin pretty good, right? Teasley, man, did you just get an award?
Yeah, it's pretty big.
Oh, well, talk to me about this award, man.
Yeah.
Okay.
Jeremy Teasley in the Real Street class. He still runs the Michelins.
Okay.
The whole Roger Starrett team down there, they all run Michelins.
Okay, great.
Yeah.
All right.
I got a few teams out here that's running Michelins.
Great, man. How can people find out more
Richie's
about
Tires at yahoo.com, email richiestires.com.
And Facebook.
Yeah, and Facebook.
Lifestyle, nigga. So you know what this about, nigga. CT, nigga. Respect you. Fear love. That ain't it, nigga. Say what you want. Let's go. I'm a bomb first. You ain't first and last. Work, go fast. Ricky Bobby on that ass. You don't really want me bringing up you niggas' ass. You don't really want me getting at you niggas' ass. Before the fucking fool. On the black. In the 10 seats. Me and my 10 freaks. For my red bitches. So red bitches. You don't like a pimp. I kill it like Vic. What it is for? Keep my zone. Get my boss on. Guess what's in my lap? What? That 223. You boys sitting me. You niggas ain't killing me. They say you acting funny. I say you damn right. You never like the nigga anyway. What's the damn right? Well, you the damn right. Turn down that damn mic. Smart nigga beat the streets steady every night. Straight kilo and you little niggas ain't lying. They won't get it, dog. You little niggas ain't going. First of all, you ain't got enough gas money. Second of all, you ain't seen
Big Country in the house.
Big Country, man.
Yes, sir.
It's great to see you, man. We at Rockingham Dragway. You got a Grudge Fest coming up here, man.
All that shit, man. All you do is tap on his shoulder. You gotta come to the track. You know what I'm saying? Hey, you put up or you gonna shut up.
They gonna win that. What's going on, baby? Let me on. Hey, man, when is your event?
April 2nd.
April 2nd.
2011. You know what I'm saying?
Okay.
You come up here. You call me at Big Country Production.
Okay.
Hey, Big Country
How can
Production.
people find out more about your event?
Call me on 864-371-0218.
And we'll put you up on BikePaparazzi.com if I need some information, man. Thanks a lot. Nice talking to you, brother.
Hey, what's up?
Hey, it's hard out there for a pimp. Man, you looking good. How you sitting tonight?
Doing pretty good. We're down to the last 10, so I think three of our crew here and 3 of us still in it.
That's what it is, baby. Good luck tonight, big stand,
I
baby.
appreciate
You gonna show me some love in May, right?
Most definitely.
That's what I'm talking about. Appreciate it. How's everybody doing, man?
Doing good, man. You know I'm the only dude down here that's representing from up top.
I see, man. I see. Call him out.
From up
Like
top.
your sponsor, man.
Oh, this chair protector gear, man. They take good care of me, man.
I see you got some new stickers on your bike, man. Yeah, so how have you been going about this sponsorship, bro?
Oh, my sponsorship is lovely, man. I can't complain, man.
Yeah, because right now we all need sponsorship, and I like how they put a little something on you with the stickers and your new posters.
Yeah. And I just did an autograph signing at the International Motorcycle Show at the Jacob Javits Center in New York. So, you know, I'm in the building, man.
Hey, man, that's great, man. How can people find out more about you? Got a Facebook page?
Yeah, Facebook page is Sean Capo Dickinson and adickinsonracing.com.
Hey, man, appreciate your time.
Rockingham, the first race of the year.
Yeah.
Glad that we got some good weather finally. The season opener is always a crapshoot.
Yeah, it is.
Either raining or cold. We got a perfect race conditions today, and I'm having a good time.
Well, that's good, man. I see we got Lee up here. We just left Daytona. How was Daytona?
It was very, very good. A lot of contacts, met a lot of people. Hung out with some friends. So it was very nice.
So talk to me about Daytona and your public coming from.
I spoke at the Ladies Ride feature at the Ocean Center for the International Motorcycle Show.
Okay.
I spoke to them about drag racing and, you know, a bunch of the stuff that us drag racers deal with on a daily basis. Costs, stuff like that. And I spoke to them about breast cancer. Because I'm a survivor, and how I want to work with not only raising awareness, but raising money for other patients out there that went through what I went through.
Well, we are proud to have you. You drove all the way up from Florida about 13 hours, and we've been working with you on our Facebook page, and we've been definitely promoting you. We're glad to see you up here with Brother Ricky. Good luck tonight, and thanks.